XRP makes a strong comeback from the DeepSeek sell-off and performs better than the whole cryptocurrency market. Most cryptocurrency assets have demonstrated resilience and have bounced back slightly to recover some of their losses following the DeepSeek market sell-off at the beginning of the week. However, XRP has not experienced this. The asset has made a strong comeback with significant gains, outperforming the larger market, which raises the question of why this has happened. Important Ripple developments. XRP has jumped 18.5% from its low of under $2.66 on Monday, January 27th, to its high of $3.20. At the time of this report, the asset has given up some of its gains and is now being traded for $3.15. This is an increase of 8.59% over the last 24 hours, which is higher than any other asset in the top 20 by market capitalization. The latest rises of XRP seem to be connected to Ripple's recent major advancements. The company announced on Monday that it had received money transmitter licenses from New York and Texas, two areas that are recognized for having strict regulations. This comes as the company is making a new effort to increase its presence in the United States, as the regulatory outlook for cryptocurrency is improving under the administration of Donald Trump. The company can provide banks in the region with its real-time global payment services, which utilize XRP ledger rails and XRP for liquidity, thanks to the license. Ripple and its subsidiaries now have a total of 55 MTLs, including the ones from New York and Texas, according to the company. hbar Crypto, a well-known cryptocurrency expert, has stated that XRP is back in a short-term bull trend, pointing to the fact that it has closed above the 21-period exponential moving average. This comes during XRP's most recent rally. They also saw that the $3 price point was becoming a significant support level because bulls were actively buying dips below this price. For comparison, Ali Martinez, another cryptocurrency expert, revealed on Monday that XRP whales with holdings of between 100 million and 1 billion coins added 120 million coins, which are worth around $380 million. It is worth noting that this second transfer took place just a few hours after XRP managed to reach the $3 psychological level on January 15th for the first time in 7 years. More specifically, during the second movement, XRP changed hands for $3.02, which means that the 20 million XRP were worth around $60,500,000 at that time. The Crypto Basic previously reported on this movement, pointing out that the receiving address had a history of moving cash to exchanges for potential sales. Based on this previous pattern, we determined that the address was probably going to send the assets to exchanges after it first moved out 4 million XRP. A few days later, all of the remaining tokens were transferred to exchanges to be sold. Additionally, Chris Larson sent another 10 million XRP in a third outbound flow last week, 6 days after the second transaction. The third transaction took place on Wednesday, January 22nd, when XRP was trading at approximately $3.15. At the time of the transaction, the tokens were valued at $31.5 million. The Larson wallet now contains 410 million XRP. The address has remained quiet since the January 22nd movement. It is worth mentioning that, at the time of publication, this Larson wallet now contains 410 million XRP, having traded off 90 million XRP since last September. However, this year alone, the address has moved a total of 40 million XRP, which is worth $116 million. To provide some background, the address received 500 million XRP when the XRPL was launched in 2013. It kept these tokens until September 2024, when the co-founder of Ripple decided to transfer 50 million XRP to an undisclosed address for liquidation purposes. Larson currently possesses 2.71 billion XRP in his 6 XRP wallets. Ripple's XRP has increased by 12% to $3.11 after Ripple obtained important money transmitter licenses, MTLs, in New York and Texas. Because of the tight regulatory criteria in both jurisdictions, these licenses are held in high regard. Ripple's growth increases trust in the company and solidifies its position in the financial market in the United States. This action not only makes it easier to use Ripple's services, but it also demonstrates a commitment to provide payment solutions that are compliant and can be used across borders. A bull flag pattern is targeting $4.62, with the RSI rising from 58 to 62, indicating bullish momentum. Ripple is strengthening the payment network in the United States. Ripple now has more than 50 licenses in the United States, thanks to the addition of MTLs in New York and Texas. Ripple has made great progress in complying with regulations, as seen by the fact that it already owns more than 60 licenses worldwide. Ripple can provide dependable payment services to financial institutions and cryptocurrency companies in both regions because of these licenses. Customers that use Ripple's platform can now take advantage of a secure and smooth approach for making transactions across borders. Both banks and cryptocurrency companies are able to utilize a worldwide payment network that connects swiftly and efficiently. This method makes it easier to onboard new users, allowing the system to be used by companies of any size. XRP price increases and changes in regulations. The increase in XRP's price is a sign that the market is becoming more confident in Ripple's development. A bull flag pattern indicates a target of $4.62, which shows a possible increase of 49%. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has increased from 58 to 62, which suggests that there is a lot of positive momentum. Ripple's success is in line with the recent changes in cryptocurrency rules in the United States. The present administration's goal is to position the country as a global leader in cryptocurrency. Ripple's expansion could be supported by these regulatory reforms, which could also lead to wider acceptance of XRP. Ripple's spread into important states in the United States is a significant achievement. XRP is getting closer to being a widely used payment method, and the company is continuing to solidify its position in the global finance industry. Igrag Crypto, a cryptocurrency analyst, has released a new technical analysis of XRP, highlighting a positive trend in the 4-hour time frame. His most recent post states that XRP is closing above the 21-day exponential moving average, EMA, which is a hint that there may be upward momentum shortly. Igrag Crypto released a chart that shows important resistance and support levels, with price movement consolidating above the $3 line. The analyst points out that bulls have been aggressively accumulating XRP below this threshold, which strengthens the foundation for future growth. This accumulation indicates that investors are still hopeful about XRP's long-term potential, especially as the overall mood in the market improves. At the moment, we are closing above the 21 EMA, which indicates that a bullish trend is likely to occur shortly. Igrag Crypto's chart shows several important price milestones. Key resistance zones are roughly $2.68, $2.70, and above $3.